Hello editors. Today I'll show you how to create this ripple effect in Capcut. Let's make this.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days.
This overlay to
When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only
For more editing
hearts.
updates, join our Telegram channel, link in description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.